How does it do the lower back?
I can do the low back with it. You want to sit up for me?
Sitting like this?
No, just lay back.
Oh, like
this.
Yeah, you said sit up. I'm like, there's no one in my
A long weekend. No breaks. Alright, so the thing is, you keep the kyphosis in your spine, you don't lay the face all the way back, you keep that curvature there.
I'll hang out with him. He teaches math.
I don't think there's anything else. That's how you do the lumbar.
But yeah, I don't have the